Welcome back to SMKR. This is Steve. It's been a while since I've given you all an update, at least since January I want to say. But anyway, look for new and exciting changes to SMKR in the near future. As a matter of fact, you should start seeing them rolling out here this weekend. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. A little more news for later on this year in August. I will be attending the IPMS convention out of Phoenix, Arizona. And if you see me there, don't be afraid to come up to me and say hello. I want to thank each and every one of you who already do subscribe to my channel. I do this because scale modeling is for you.